Activity 2, sorting objects by criteria. Sorting toys by the material they're made from. We got P for plastic, M for metal, F for furriness, W for wood, P plus M for metal plus plastic, and W plus M for wood plus metal.
Okay,
No, sorry, plastic plus metal there. So let's start with Tigger. He goes into the F category. We'll make a line. The excavator goes into the plastic plus metal category.
Okay.
This toy here, this truck that doesn't have that part, is going into the plastic category.
Okay.
This here, this ball,
Don't blow. Okay.
is going to go into the wood plus metal category. This here, we're not talking about the dominoes, we're only talking about the box. This box is made out of wood. So
And what's the dominoes made out of?
The dominoes are made out of plastic. And for the dominoes, it's 2 lines in for plastic. This here is a glove. And this also goes to a plastic category.
Oh, but
So we got
what
three.
about this? Is that plastic too, then?
That's leather.
Ah, it's fabric. So it might have to go to the fluffiness.
Yes. So we got no metal. I mean, we do have metal. If you just sit a moment to think about it, these parts here have no plastic added to them. So we could put this to metal and plastic and to metal. Because metal has nothing and these bolts are not plastic. So it does have a bit of plastic on it, but it's more metal than plastic. So it's going to go to metal. So the results are plastic has 3, metal has 1, fluffiness has 2, wood has 1, plastic plus metal has 1, and wood plus metal has 1.
Okay. Thank you very much, Victor, for your help. Bye.
Bye bye.